Motherfuckers better know. Now I was born in the Middle East, the whole family facing life or death. I was a player ever since my mother gave me birth. So what am I? The United Kingdom, here I fly. Can't speak a word of English. They look at me like I'm strapped with a bomb. Instigated and feeling afraid. Hey officer, it's me, the little Kifaji, the player you don't wanna see. Let me proceed. I came from Iran. My identification headlines is coming from a place where Saddam is popping rockets. Ain't no love there, bitch. I maintain the game in my homeland. It's like a gutter where I did kick it, trying to hustle up for the plane ticket. Love, how we doing? Well, I've been hanging, singing, trying to do my thing. Oops, so you heard I've been banging and cheating with your girlfriends that you went to the hairdressers with. She was cool, but did she tell you about her sister too? Yeah. And to this day, I make songs on beat made by Dre from back in the days. So I'll be praying for these chicks not to catch me. Ain't that bitch, some homies getting rich. I'm a madman and nutcase with a screw loose. A suit filled with tobacco and kush. Females run to me, baby, don't push. Take your clothes off, boom boom, let the ass see. It's getting hectic, too many girls, so many quickies. Left them with many hickeys. And now all your friends try to taste me, to stay naked and open up like a sesame.